Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you guys are good. This is an awesome video, guys. I had this wonderful opportunity to receive these products I'm about to show you. They are so cool. I already have like 6 picked out for Christmas for next year. The prices are very reasonable. Their shipping is phenomenal. It only took less than 7 days to get here. Their customer service, by the way, is awesome. So, and what I'm about to show you is made from recycled products. It's so cool. So, first one I picked, and when I had the opportunity to pick products, I kind of thought I was given an opportunity, I'm going to give back the opportunity. So, I chose for gifts for people that I love. So the first one is this turtle. And I loved how they came in this nice box, all very nicely packed. They were stacked. I have 3 products. They were stacked on top of each other, bubble wrapped in another package, and then in a box individual. So that's so cool. So this is how it looks. But I'm going to show you the card. Who we are. You guys can read it. But I liked where it says, we are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet, as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we are committed to giving a nonprofit organization to help make the planet a better place. A better planet, a better life. We are on our way. So that's pretty cool. So this is the turtle. And I got 3 different ones, and they're look different in each way. You'll understand in a second when I show the second one. This is a turtle. Look at the detail on this, guys. I mean, look at, there's a little turtle right there. Or is that not a turtle? I thought it was a turtle. I swear I saw another turtle. There is another turtle. But whatever. But look at the little flowers. Oh, it's right there. There's a turtle. I knew I saw another turtle. There's a turtle there. Some more flowers. And look at this. The details in that. Isn't that so cool? Look at the bird. See the birds? It's like an eagle right there flying. Just so cool. So that is the turtle I picked up for Sam. My son-in-law, who's Native American. He's a Naida. And he is the Turtle Clan. So I picked a turtle for him. That one I am going to give to Sam. And the next one says love. And it says Mr. and Mrs. up here. Look at the guy on his knee proposing. You got a design, little chirrups. But ready, guys? Ready? You're wondering what the cord was for? It lights up. Isn't that cool? Look, you get the little moon with them sitting on it. So my son and my future daughter-in-law, Chantel, are getting married in July. And I thought they could set this out at the reception next to the cake. Or cupcakes. They're not having a big cake. But isn't that cute? I just thought it was so cool. And it has the little cord. I'll turn it off and I'll show you the cord it has. Has a little switch here. And it comes in this. But you do not get this with them, so you'll have to purchase this separate. And they may sell these. I'm not positive. But this is the cord for it. Very nicely made. I love the detail. Look at all those little hearts and cherubs and the couples. I thought it was so cool. Look at, there's another couple right there. I mean, I keep spotting, like, there's a cherub. I keep spotting things. I mean, look at the little people on the moon. I keep spotting things as I keep looking at it. So there's that one. It's so well made. I just love the look, how it looks when you have it set up. Look at all that wood. So cool. So there's that one. Put the card back in. I want to. So that's one's for Chantel and Xavier. The turtle's basically for Diamond and Sam. This next one is my favorite. And I picked this up from my father-in-law, who's 79 years old. He doesn't get out much anymore. He loves dragonflies, and he used to love walking the woods, but, you know, he's up there now. But he has a thing for lights. So, and I already was showing Scott this, so that's why it's all packaged. So, of course, it came in the same box, all the fun stuff. Okay. This one has a black cord, and it came in 2 sections. A cord like this and this right here. You plug this in. You'll be very careful. And this one has a controller, and I got this set up to go to my father-in-law's. I did this video, and it wouldn't upload. So, that's why I have it prepared for my elderly father-in-law. That's why it says Dragonfly on the remote control. Because, guys, guess what? This thing is so cool. I'm like, yep, I need to buy myself one. I need to get myself one after I've been checking this one out. Okay? So, you have the on and off switch. So, let's turn it on. Okay? And then you have, like, brightness. How bright you want to go. Turn it up. And then you can turn it down. And then you have a section of colors. So you can go red, green. I'm going to switch. There we go. Blue, white, which does look to me like a light blue, orange, yellow, another green. Wait, oh, I hit the wrong button. I'm sorry. Or no, oh yeah, it's another blue. My bad. And purple. And then you can have it go to a jump like that. Or this one. And this one is fade. And then this one also is a fade. And then we can go back to this one. Okay. And then we have the music one. And then another music one. And it goes like the vibes of the music, I assume. And then this one. But my favorite is this one. And, oh, my bad. That's on me. That's not the product. Is the fade one. There we go. This one. This is the one I like. I just set it up so I can see it better. Where it fades in and out of the colors. And I got Dragonfly on there so my father-in-law knows what this little remote control is. I think he'll turn this on in his living room when he just needs I think it'd be awesome just to watch for anxiety to come down from a person that it's like watching. I love watching fish tanks because they're so relaxing. And I think this would help relax him. He can just sit there and have it sit. Me and Scott were checking it out to see if he could, you know. And we're going to put it where he can kind of just switch it up. But the details in this is so pretty because there's dragonflies in here, flowers. Just so pretty. Look at that, guys. Ain't that gorgeous? It's just gorgeous. And he loves dragonflies. So that's why I picked a dragonfly out for him. So I will have their store or website information linked in the description box below with a code for you to get a discount. So go over there and check them out, guys. I thought their prices are reasonable. Their quality is phenomenal. I am very satisfied. Like I said, I got a few of these set aside that are already in my mind for Christmas next year. So, and I thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.